Beautiful.
And we have glacial ice from northern British Columbia.
Woo!
Way better than southern British Columbia.
Glacial ice. It's twice as cold and it stays twice as long.
I mean,
You guys been around for a million years. Okay, here we go. Now you stand right there. You got to move around a little bit. Face me. And sorry. I'm sorry. Hold it down. Hold it down. Yeah, hold it tight.
Sorry.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah!
What time is it? Warm up.
All right, let's get it from this angle. Crazy people here. There we are. Yeah, I was trying to. Is the saw gonna go?
Got the cups?
Take your water reserve, take your newborn, and fill that one up.
Okay. Okay.
1971.
Everybody okay? Everybody's good. You gotta ask.
Yep, right in my bra.
We got a lot of customers.
Uh-huh.
It's got to be for two.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, baby.